Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to add a profanity filter to your Xbox Series X account. This is very easy to do. So if you receive like a text message and you want to blur out all the bad words, you can go up to settings and select this, then go to general, and then go to the right and go to online safety and family. Then let's go to privacy and online safety, and then scroll on down to message safety. Apply content filtering to the messages you receive. And then we have a bunch of different options under here. So the first one is text in received messages. Decide how you can filter your text. So you have 4 different options under here. You have unfiltered, you have mature, medium, or friendly. Then the next option is text in message requests. And then this will be from people who aren't your friends that are sending you messages. So it's going to be a different category under this list. So if I go on over to parties and chats right here, and go to like the new chats or just under the chats right here. And this is my friends, and then chat requests is right here. These are people that aren't my friends. So you might want to go ahead and filter those specifically because you don't know those people. So I have that set to medium. Then we have media in received messages. And this will be other things besides just your text messages. So it'll be images, videos, animated content. So I have this set to mature. Media in message requests, so that's the other categories who aren't your friends. And then we have web links in received messages. I have set to mature. And then you can view hidden content. Decide to allow yourself to bypass message filtering and look at filtered content. I have this set to allow. So just come to this section and you should be good to go. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech up videos coming up next on Your Six Studios.